Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2020 350 Realm. Fantastic boat. It's the Abaco blue color on it. It's beautiful blue color. It's powered by the Mercury Verados. You got triple 300s, ton of power, hops you up on a plane, gets you a good top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. Let's start at the back. Really comfortable fold down seat right here. It has probably 4 adults, very comfortable, nice high back. If you're going to not use the seat, you want to throw the line over the back, neatly folds away, dive door ladder, conveniently located, live wellway here, and the dive door is fantastic. Great for boarding on and off the boat, great for getting on and off the boat from swimming, also great for bringing a fish on board if you catch some fish. Comfortable reverse seating here with a large refrigerated cooler, holds all the beverages you're going to need. Little galley on this side. You've got the electric stove. Fantastic feature on it. Let's move around to the mid cabin. You get the reversible seat with a table that goes in between the two. The helm seat will turn around, face the other way, so the 4 people can oppose each other very comfortably right here. With the air conditioning vents also, little cooler on the side for the captain. The joystick, fantastic. You can dock this boat in anywhere, any condition. It's got the auto heading on it, which is an autopilot, and it's got skyhook, keeps you in the same place, locks you right in and stay there as long as you want. Great electronics, Raymarine touchscreen, nice viewing windshield. The cabin is set up really nicely. Got a TV. You got a very large area you can sleep. It's got teak on the bottom. It's got a full stand-up head. So nice shower in it. Fantastic. Got a skyliner for natural light. So as we move around to the bow, nice big walkway as we go through. Very large lounges. You got armrests, 3 armrests. You can actually lounge 4 people here very comfortably. Beautiful teak inlaid table, which also put a filler cushion on here, which makes one gigantic sun pad on it as well. And you got a large area up here. This is the windlass that's recessed down in here, so it's out of the way. So if you want to stand on here, you can. Boat has radar. It has everything you're gonna want to need. Go to the Keys, go to the Bahamas, no problem. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.